The way I saw it, I lived my life happily, blissfully unaware of the things I soon came to fear, the horrors I soon came to beware. And then one day, everything changed. And the way I saw it, I lived in a world of eternal night. The way I saw it, everyone's sins became the individual threads on the cloak that blocked out all the light. The way I saw it, I was surrounded by darkness. And this darkness teased me, it tainted me, it engulfed me, and eventually it became me. And I was afraid of it, of me. But the way I once saw it and the way I see it now could not be more diverse. Because the way I see it, I live in a world not of darkness but of light. The way I see it, everyone's kindness becomes the glowing rays that beam through the night. The way I see it, my world is covered in hot white sparks. And although these sparks once burned me, once blinded me, now they brighten me, now they become me. And I am not, will not be afraid of them, of me. Because the way I see it, I've traveled loads, hour and hour, mile and mile. Who knew beneath my broken smile was a heart and love and a cause so dire? I faced the night and walked through fire, and still, unburned, unbroken, unyielding I stand. No person nor object as mighty or grand as my soul as it rises towards the light. The way I see it, everything was worth that perilous fight.